N8N versus Node-RED. In this 2025 comparison, we'll find out which one is better, so make sure to like and subscribe. Let's begin with their features. N8N is a workflow automation tool focused on integrations with hundreds of apps like Slack, Google Drive, and APIs. On the other hand, Node-RED is an open source flow-based tool designed more for IoT devices and data streaming, though it can also handle APIs. Next is their ease of use. N8N provides a clean interface with ready-to-use nodes, making it beginner-friendly for non-coders. On the other hand, Node-RED uses a visual programming approach as well, but can feel more technical, especially when dealing with devices or custom logic. Now for their pricing. N8N is free and open source, but it also offers a hosted cloud option for free, while Node-RED is entirely free and self-hosted. For use cases, N8N is excellent for automating business workflows, connecting SaaS tools, and handling APIs, while Node-RED is stronger for IoT hardware projects and edge computing. So for final verdict, if your focus is SaaS integrations and business workflows, you can go with N8N. But if you're into IoT and device automation, Node-RED fits better for you. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.